I just noticed something else. I'm not next to him now. Let's see if I catch up. If you can make it out, there's a little peephole on the passenger window there. There's like a, not even the size of a fist, peephole cut out. Oh my gosh, people are amazing. Oh yeah, here we go. We're gonna get a shot of it here. Ready? Check it out. That's their passenger side peephole. You're awesome, dude! Yeah!